Hey there, party people! Ready to take your DJ game to the next level in 2024? Join us on a journey through the coolest DJ controllers that are turning up the heat this year. Hey, imagine yourself in control of the beats, creating vibes that make everyone hit the dance floor. Get ready to discover the warmth and power packed into the best DJ controllers of 2024. I've done the research, and trust me, these picks are the real deal. From seamless mixing to epic effects, these controllers are your ticket to becoming the ultimate party maestro. And guess what? I've listed my top picks just for you. But that's not all. The links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So no need to break the bank. Let's make your DJ dreams a reality without burning a hole in your pocket. Are you ready to unleash the beats and amp up the energy? Hit play and let's get this party started. Number 5. Neumann Mar Party Mix 2. If you want the best budget-friendly option, this is worth considering. This USB-powered DJ equipment is perfect for beginners, offering seamless connectivity for Mac, PC, and iOS. Here's the deal: it comes with 2 DJ decks, an integrated audio interface, and the plug-and-play ease you're looking for. Plus, there's a built-in LED light show that syncs with your mix, adding a cool visual element to your set. When it comes to hands-on control, this bad boy delivers. With performance pads for effects, hue, loop, and sampler, along with filter knobs and pitch sliders, you're in command of your DJ set. What I recommend is the ability to stream millions of tracks through Serato DJ Lite or J Pro AI from popular providers like SoundCloud, Beatport Link, BeatSource Link, and Tidal. And don't worry about connectivity. It's got a DJ headphones output, a 1/8 of an inch main output for DJ speakers, and an integrated mixer with 2-band EQ and channel faders. Number 4. Donon DJ Prime Go. This is my top pick for the best user-friendly features. Say goodbye to the traditional controller and welcome the power of Prime. It's a sleek 2-deck smart DJ console with a 7-inch HD touchscreen, all fueled by Donon DJ's Engine OS. What makes it stand out? This DJ system is a standalone wonder, thanks to its compact size and a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that keeps the beats going for up to 4 hours of unplugged performance. No need to stress about music sources. You can analyze music files and record box collections directly from USB and SD. Plus, it's got wireless streaming capabilities, letting you groove to everything from underground sounds to certified classics from streaming partners like Tidal, SoundCloud Go Plus, BeatSource, and Beatport. Connectivity? Check. With master and DJ booth outputs, aux and mic inputs, a link port for DJ lighting control, and USB and SD media source inputs, it's got everything you need. The feature-packed Prime Go boasts touch capacitive jog wheels, a signable FX module, 3-band EQ, filter and sweep FX, integrated DJ mixer, and performance pads for hot cues, loops, and rolls. And the Engine OS keeps getting better. Use one login for multiple streaming providers, get pre-analyzed songs, and enjoy new features like automated fader Eco FX for smooth transitions. Number 3. Pioneer DJ DJ Rev 1. For the best reliable DJ experience, this is the one I recommend the most. With its enhanced jog wheels and 60mm sliders, it brings a solid layout for your DJ sessions. What caught my eye are the multifunction pads and lever FX, adding some versatility to your mixing game. Tracking scratch is a neat feature, giving you precision control over your scratches for a polished performance. Mixed microphone audio is a practical addition, ensuring your voice blends seamlessly with the music. This 2-deck DJ controller is specifically designed for Serato DJ, making it a reliable choice for users of that software. Plus, it's got a built-in microphone input, saving you from the hassle of additional setups. Number 2. Neumann Mar Platinum FX. Looking for the best practical design, then consider this one. Designed as a complete Serato DJ system, it's user-friendly with plug-and-play USB connectivity for both Mac and PC. What sets it apart are the large 6-inch capacitive touch jog wheels that not only feel great, but also display essential info like BPM, patter position, beats remaining, and pitch adjustment and key. Personalizing your DJ set is a breeze with 6 fun, quick launch FX, dedicated instant loop controls, and 8 performance pads per deck for cues, loops, fader cuts, and samples. When it comes to streaming, this controller allows you to browse and play tracks directly from Serato DJ Lite, offering a wide range of music from SoundCloud and Tidal. And when you're ready to connect to your DJ equipment, it's got you covered with a microphone input, headphone output, and RCA output for DA speakers. The built-in mixer features a 3-band EQ, filter knobs, channel faders, and a crossfader, everything you need for a seamless DJ experience. Number 1. Hus Impulse 500. Finally, here's my top pick for the best overall. This 2-deck USB DJ controller packs a built-in audio interface and a hardware input mixer for easy audio inputs. What caught my eye are the 16 backlit RGB pads, vinyl function, and loop-in and loop-out buttons. These features provide practical controls for your mixers. Smooth transitions between tracks are guaranteed, thanks to the filter and FX area. The large jog wheels with touch detection add a nice touch for those who like to scratch. One cool design feature is the retractable and extendable feet, allowing you to lift up the controller. This not only gives it a bit of elevation, but also helps keep it safe from any accidental spills. Alright, party people, that wraps up our tour of the best DJ controllers for 2024. We've explored some top-notch gear that'll have you spinning like a pro in no time. If you're ready to take your DJ game to the next level, my top picks have got you covered. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and snag these controllers for a sweet deal. And hey, if you found this video helpful, and I know you did, give us a thumbs up, share the DJ love with your fellow music enthusiasts, and hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay in the loop with all our latest content, tips, and reviews. Keep the beats rolling, folks. Until next time.